If you work for more than one company or write reports for multiple appraisers, you may find yourself needing to log into Appraise-It Pro using different accounts. In this video, we'll learn how to make the switch. We'll assume you already have all the necessary users set up in Appraise-It Pro and have properly registered the program. If not, see our video on registering Appraise-It Pro linked below. Once you've opened Appraise-It Pro, click on the back arrow in the upper left corner of the welcome screen. This will take you back to the main menu of Appraise-It Pro. Next, click on the Support tab up top and select Register Change Company. Now click the Register button and enter the username and password for the Appraise-It account you wish to switch to. Once you've switched to this account once, it'll be remembered for the next time to make switching back and forth easier. Here you can also check this box to remember the password for the username used and clear the history of accounts switched between. When done, click Next. Select the correct user to use with this Appraise-It account. If needed, you can add a customer ID. Once you've made your selection, click Next. And now you're all done. If you need to switch back, just repeat the process. If you need help or have any questions, email us at tech@sfrep.com or give our tech support a call 7 days a week at 800-644-4051. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for being an SFREP customer.